A. A is a matrix where it is given 1, 2, 3. Okay. And B is a matrix where it is given as by where B is given as by, suppose this is B is given as by, suppose what can we write? 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3. I have written. Okay, I have written. Is it? What you are getting here, you see? Are you getting me? In the matrix A, we have row, 1 row, 3 columns, right? We are getting 1 row. How many rows are there? In matrix A, we have 1 row. Row. Number of row is 1. But number of columns equals to 3. 3 columns, 1 row. Are you getting me? Hello, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, in matrix B, we are getting 3 rows. Row 1, row 2, and row 3. We are getting 3 rows where we are getting 2 columns. Okay. That means the order of A, I told you RC. Order of A is what? Order of A is what? 1 row and, let me know, 1 row and 3 columns. It is for A. For B, we see RC. How many rows are there in B? There are 3 rows. There are 3 rows. So we write down 3 rows. That means this is 3 into how many columns are there? There are 2 columns. It is told that if these two are same, then only their product is possible. That is AB. A dot B, that is AB, is possible. Otherwise not. That is these three will be same. The column of first matrix will be equal to the row of second matrix. Then it is possible only to determine their product. You understand? If it is taken vice versa, suppose you see for B the order is 3 into 2. And for A, the order is 1 into 3. Now the question is, if BA is possible? No, BA is not possible because this and these are not same. For this, BA is not possible. So BA does not exist. Does not exist. Please try to understand. Now, how to find the product of two matrices? You please try to understand. Here, I am telling you again, here RC, that means 1 into 3, and here 3 rows, 3 into 2. So this will be omitted and will be left with a matrix of order 1 into 2. You understand? This and this will be omitted and will be left a matrix of order 1 into 2. That means what? 1 by 2. That means what? There will be only 1 row and there will be 2 columns. If we have product, or that is if we multiply A and B, if we multiply A and B, then we will get a new matrix of order 1 by 2. How we have calculated it? In this way. Suppose it is M into N and it will be N into P. This NN will be omitted. this NN will be omitted and will be left with M into P. M into P. The new matrix, order of new matrix will be M into P. You understand? Now, how to multiply? This is the fact. You please try to understand. All of you are required. You see what I am going to do. Therefore, AB is equal to, you write down like this, 1, 2, 3. Okay, it is done. Now, into 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3. This is B. And we are here to find AB. So A into B, AB. Now you see how I do the maths. At first I told you this is the matrix of order 1 into 3 and this is the matrix of order 3 into 2. So these 3 will be omitted. So we'll be left with 1 row and 2 columns. You remember please, 1 row and 2 columns. Okay, you see. Have you got it? Now you see how to do this math. You please pay attention. At first, what will I do? I told you that is 1 into 2, only 1 row, and 2 columns, right? Only 1 row and 2 columns. Please try to understand. This part is, you see, this is 1, okay? And this part, 1 into 1, you multiply 1 into 1 equals to what? 1. 1 into 0 plus 0. 1 into 2, 2. You please try to understand. Is it? No, it is not. It is not the way to do this math. Then what will be? You see how to multiply. 1 into 1, 1, plus 2 into 0, 0, plus 3 into 2, that is 6. In this way, the multiplication will be in this way. That means suppose there is a term here, there is a term here, there is a term here, there is a term here. The thing is that this and this will be multiplied, plus suppose it is 2, it is 2. This will be multiplied. That means this 1 into 1, I have multiplied. What is the result? 1. These 2 and these 2 have been multiplied, 0 have been multiplied. What is the result? 0. These 3 and these 2 have been multiplied. What is the result? 6. Please try to understand. Is there anyone here who doesn't understand? Try to understand. I repeat, you see, in this way, the multiplication will be in this way. This is horizontal and this is vertical. 1 into 1, 1, 2 into 0, 0, 3 into 2, 6. This is done. Now what is left? What is left? You see, this is left. Okay, this is left. Now, in the same way, we have to multiply it. You see, 1 into 2, that is 2. 2 into 1, that is 2. 3 into 3, that is 9. So we are getting 1 plus 6, 7, and here 9 to 11 to 13. This is a new matrix whose order is 1 row, 2 column. 1 row, 2 column. That I wrote you at first. 1 row, 2 columns. You have seen perhaps this is only 1 row which has 2 columns. 1 row but 2 columns. Okay. So our math is done. I am not getting any response from you. Perhaps you are not getting me. Everybody? Hello, everybody.
Yes, sir.
But no sound, no response. Are we here or are we on another apps? I don't know. Now, my next question is, if BA is possible, I showed you BA is not possible. BA is not possible because its order is what? 3 rows, 2 column, 3 by 2. The order of B is 3 by 2 and order of A is what? 1 by 3. As they are not same, so BA is not possible. Write down, BA is not possible. Have you got it or not? Okay. I am going to exercise 1A, question number 2-1. Please try to understand. 2-1. I am writing at a time. AB is equal to, I am writing at a time. AB, A is given 1, 0, minus 2. A is given 1, 0, minus 2. Then, I am sorry, it is not the number 1. That was number 2. A is 3 minus 4, 2. 3 minus 4, 2. Then minus 2, 1, 0. Minus 2, 1, 0. This is A. And this is B. You see what is B here? B is 1, 2, 2, 5. 1, 2, 2, 5. 1, 2, 2, 5 and 3, 7. This is B. Okay. Have you got me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you see here the order is, just wait. Sorry. Hello. You say again. Its order is what? How many rows? 2 rows. How many columns? 3 columns. RC cola. Can you remember? RC cola. That is Royal Cola. RC. That is Royal Cola. And here RC. How many rows? 3 rows. How many columns? 2 columns. Okay. You'll see these are same. Okay. So it will be omitted and we will be left with a new matrix of order 2 by 2. Okay. These 2 and these 2. Okay. You see how to multiply. Okay, don't take any tension. It will be done very easily. You see, please. At first, what is to do in this way? Just remember this part. You always remember this part. Okay, this part means here 3 into 1, that is 3. Minus 4 into 2, that is minus 8. 2 into 3, that is plus 6. Have got it? I am showing you again. You see 3 and this one, you multiply it, 3. Minus 4 and this 2, you multiply it, minus 8. 2 into 3, you multiply it, you will get 6. Okay, have you got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let's multiply by this again. Here it is in the denominator, I mean second row. It is in the second row. So come to the second row. Minus 2, but first column. Minus 2 into 1, that is minus 2. 1 into 2, that is plus 2. 0 into 3, that is plus 0. Actually, we have done this part. The first column of the new matrix has been done. The first column of new matrix has been found. Now
Yes, sir.
we have to go to the second column. You see how to go to the second column. This is the first column of the new matrix. Now we are going to the second column of the new matrix. Similarly, there is no option. Suppose it is done. Now you have to multiply with this. Okay, very good. You multiply 3 into 2. Just let me know. 3 into 2 equals to what? This 3 into 2, that is 6, minus 4 into 5, minus 20, 2 into 7, that is plus 14. Okay. Now what is left? This part is left. So minus 2 into 2, that is minus 4, 1 into 5, that is plus 5, 0 into 7, that is plus 0. So we are getting here 3 plus 6, 9 minus 1, 9 minus 8, that is 1. Here it is 0, and here it is 0, and here it is 1. We have got this. You know, it is called I2, that is called identity matrix, I2. I will let you know the definition afterwards. Before that, you have to understand the multiplication. Otherwise, it may be hard for you to get all kinds of definitions. Okay, I'll make your definitions very easy and simple. Okay, I think you have got it. Now, 2A1, question number 2A1, you have to determine BA. It is done. Now you have to determine BA. You see, now BA. BA. What is BA? At first you have to write B, 1, 2, 2, 5, 1, 2, 2, 5, 3, 7. This is B. This is B, and A. A means what? A means 3 minus 4, 2, 3 minus 4, 2, and here it is minus 2, 1, 0. Okay, very good. Here, how many rows and how many columns? How many rows? Just let me know. How many rows? There are 3 rows. How many columns? There are 2 columns. So B is a matrix of order 3 by 2. In this way, how many rows here? How many rows? How many rows? How many rows? 2 rows. How many columns? 3 columns. You see, this same. So it will be omitted. We will get a new matrix of 3 by 3 order. This 3 and this 3. So we are going to get a new matrix of 3 by 3 order. So BA is possible. Our answer, BA is possible. So very good. If it is possible, then good. We determined 3 by 3. You see what is to do? As I told you, in this way. In this way, that means what? This, suppose this and this. The fact is that this and this will be multiplied, and this will be multiplied. It's first, it's first. It's second, it's second. You understand? It's first, it's first. It's second, it's second. In this way, it is to be multiplied. This and this will be multiplied, okay? And this will be multiplied in this way. So we are going to do the math again. Those who have failed to understand, please pay attention again, because it is really very hard for any student. You see what is to do? I told you in this way. So this is 1 into 3 equals to what? 3. Then this is 2, and this is minus 2, minus 4. Is it okay? Paras, you are not getting me.
Yes, sir.
But
বুঝতে
no
পেরেছি,
answer,
sir.
no answer, no response. Anyway, we are going to this part. This part means what? Here the second row. This is first row. This is second row. So this is first row, and we are going to do the second row. Second row. Second row means what? This is the second row. This is second row. Second row means what? This is 2. So 2 into 3, that is 6. 5 into minus 2, that is minus 10. Now go to third row. This is the third row. 3 into 3 equals to 9. 7 into minus 2, that is minus 14. We have done the functioning of the first column of the matrix A. Similarly, now we will calculate on this part in the same way. Just remember this thing. You see, suppose you don't have this. Now you multiply 1 into minus 4 equals to what? Minus 4. 2 into 1, that is plus 2. Go to the second row. This is the second row. 2 into minus 4, minus 8. 5 into 1, that is plus 5. Go to the third row. 3 into minus 4, minus 12. 7 into 1, that is plus 7. So it is also done. Now we are going to the third column. In the same way, you multiply 1 into 2, that is 2. 2 into 0, that is plus 0. That's good. Second row, this is second row. 2 into 2, that is 4. 5 into 0, that is 0. 3 into 2, that is 6. 7 into 0, that is 0. So this is the math. Now you see calculation only. 3 minus 4 minus 1, 6 minus 4 minus 4, 9 minus 14 minus 5. Here it is 2 minus 4 minus 2, 5 minus 8 minus 3, 7 minus 12 minus 5. Here 2, 4, 6. So our math is done. Very easy and simple calculation that you can do. Okay, now we are going to do question number 2 of 2. If you know how to find the product of two matrices, then it is possible for you to get 10 marks in college level only by knowing how to find the product of two matrices. Okay, I am not lying. 2. You have to determine AB. Okay, very good. Let's find AB. I am writing at a time AB. This is AB. AB equals to 1, 0, minus 2. Write down 1, 0, minus 2. That's good. 3 minus 2 minus 1. 3 minus 2 minus 1. I have written the value of A, and we are going to write down the value of B. B is given in the question minus 1, 3, minus 1, 3, 4, 0, 4, 0, then it is 2, 6. At first I told you, does AB exist or not? How to find it? Row C, RC, row column. How many rows? There are 2 rows. How many columns? There are 3 columns, right? There are 3 columns. That's good. And here RC. How many rows? 3 rows. How many columns? There are 2 columns. 3 will be omitted. So the new matrix will be of order 2 by 2, as we are left 2 and 2. So the new matrix will be of order 2 by 2. Okay, let's multiply. You see how to do it. Okay, as I told you, this is the way to multiply. Okay, so this is 1. You see, this is 1, and this is minus 1. We multiply it. Just let me know. Minus 1. Don't make sound. 1 into minus 1, that is minus 1. Now you see it is 0. Okay, and it is 4. 0 into 4, that is 0. Now you see this is minus 2, and this is 2 equals to what? Minus 4. Okay, you see I have done in this way, this and this. Okay, now suppose this and this, we have to multiply it. Suppose this is 1 and this one will be multiplied. Suppose this is second, it is second, it will be multiplied. Suppose this is 3, this is 3, it will be multiplied. Okay, first will be multiplied, second will be multiplied, third will be multiplied, and at last they'll be added. Okay, this is the main formula to do this math. Okay, now you see we are going to the second row. Very good. Second row, but first column. This is the first column and this is the second row. 3 into -1, that is -3. -2 into 4, that is -8. -1 into 2, that is -2. So we are done also. This is done. Okay. Now what is left here? We have not yet counted this. So the way we have done this too, the same way is to be for, suppose it is not given here. It is not given. Suppose you forget it forever. Okay. Now you multiply it. You see how to do. You see that 1 into 3 equals to what? 3. 0 into 0 equals to what? 0. -2 into 6 equals to what? -12. That's good. In the same way, the second row, this is the second row. This is the second row is not done yet. So what is to do? We have to calculate, or we have to have the functioning on second row. 3 into 0 equals to what? 0. Okay, now calculate it. -1 -4, that is -5. Then it is what? 10 minus 13. It is what? 3 minus 12, that is -9. It is what? 9 minus 6, that is 3. So we have got AB. We have got AB. Now you are required here to determine BA. Now is it possible for you? Okay, all of you are required to do BA. And I want to see who can do it first. Find out BA. Find out BA. Who is going to find out BA at first? BA equals to what? BA. -1 3 4 0 -1 3 4 0 -1 3 4 0 2 6. This is B, and what is A? What is A? You know what is A? 1 0 -2 1 0 -2. Then 3 -2 -1 3 -2 -1. This is BA. Okay, very good. Now calculate it. You find it how many rows? How many rows and how many columns? 3 rows, 2 columns. And here 2 rows, 3 columns. That's good. 2 will be omitted, and we'll be left with a new matrix of order 3 by 3. We will be left with a new matrix of order 3 by 3. Okay, you understand? Now please pay attention how to do this math. Okay, that's good. Okay, what I told you, this is the way. Okay, this is the way. So that's good. -1. Now you see -1 into 1, -1 into 1, -1 into 1 equals to what? -1. Okay, are you getting me?
Sir, 8 -6 -1 4
Okay.
0 -8 are sir 20 -12
Okay.
-10.
Okay, very good. You similarize with me, hey? Okay, all of you. -1 into 1, -1. Then what? 3 into 3 equals to what? +9. Is it? Now go to the second row. 4 into 1, 4. 0 into 3 +0. Now go to the third row. 2 into 1, that is 2. 6 into 3, that is +18. Okay, now suppose it is not given or it is done. Now go to this second column in the same way. -1 into 0, that is 0. 3 into -2, -6. -4 into 0, 0. 0 into -2, that is 0. -2, oh sorry, it is -2, I don't know. Perhaps not. Okay, let me check again. 4 into 0, 0. Wait. Someone is making sound. 4 into 0, 0. Okay, just wait. 4 into 0, 0, 0 into minus 2, 0. 2 into 0, that is 0. 6 into minus 2, that is minus 12. Now, suppose it is not given, go to the last column of the matrix A. Last column in the same way. Suppose it is not given. So what will you do? Minus 1 into minus 2. Minus 1 into minus 2 equals to what? Plus 2. Okay. Then 3 into minus 1, that is minus 3. 4 into minus 2, that is minus 8. 0 into minus 1, that is plus 0. Better not to give minus sign before 0. Now go to the third. 2 into minus 2, that is minus 4. 6 into minus 1, that is minus 6. Now we are getting it what? Let me know. 8. Farhan Ishrak, is it okay? You see,
Yes, sir.
minus 6, 0, minus 12. This is minus 1. This is minus 8. And this is minus 10. Is it okay?
Sir.
Okay,
Yes,
but
sir.
in the question, who is making sound? I don't know. In the question, it was told to prove that AB is not equal to BA. Have you seen? I have not deleted this part. It was AB. Okay, and it is now BA. Now, can we conclude that yes, AB and BA are not equal?
Yes, sir.
So it is proved. Write down. Okay, we'll get peculiar maths next. The next maths are really peculiar, but very easy and simple to do. Basic things you have learned. Now I am going to question number 3 or question number 2. That is 2, 3. You see what is given. A is 2, 1. Very easy and simple math. A is 2, 1. Very easy and simple. And B is given as by, and B is given as by number 3, 1 minus 2, 0, 1 minus 2, 0. That's good. 4, 5 minus 3, 4, 5 minus 3. You have to find AB. You have to find AB. Okay, do it. AB. This is 2, this is 1. A, and this is B. 1 minus 2, 0, 4, 5 minus 3. Okay. Now you find it. It is what? Let me know. How many rows are there? RC. Let me know. RC. That is 1 row and 2 columns, right? 1 by 2. And it is what? 2 rows. It is 2 rows. Column 3. So these two will be omitted. We will get a new matrix of 1 by 3 order. Okay. We will have a new matrix of 1 by 3. You just write it that 1 by 3. Now 1 by 3 means 1 row, 3 columns. 1 row, 3 columns. Very interesting math. Okay, 1 row, 3 columns. 1 row. Very good. So what I told you, can you remember this? So 2 into 1. Very easy and simple. 2. 1 into 4 equals to what? Plus 4. Math is done. Okay. Now you see, is there any row here? No, there is no row. There is no row here. So we don't have any functioning here. We don't have any other row, right? But we have new columns, this column. For a while, you think that this is not given. It's okay. Now you multiply 2 into minus 2 equals to what? Minus 4. Now you again multiply 1 into 5 equals to what? Plus 5. We have multiplied. Okay, now you think again, suppose it is not also given. Okay, now what is left with the third column? So we have functioning on this third column. That's good. 2 into 0 equals to 0 equals to 0. 1 into minus 3, that is minus 3. Okay, no need to give this large sign, this. Now you calculate equals to what? 4 plus 2, 6, that is 1. It is minus 3. Now, can you tell me how many rows are there? There is only 1 row. How many columns are there? There is only 3 columns. For this, the new matrix is of order 1 into 3 that I wrote at first. 1 into 3. Have you seen it? If you at first come to know your new matrix will be of which order, then it will be very easier for you to do this math. Otherwise, many students can operate here 2 into 1, so it will be here something like that. No, not that. Okay, you know only one row, so there will be no second row here. So this math is done. Now we are going to question number 4. For question number 6. That is, I am going to write down at a time AB. Okay. AB. AB is given in the question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is A. And this is B. B is given in this question 0 to 1, 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 0 to 1, 2, 0, minus 1. Do it. Find AB and BA. And show that AB is not equal to BA. AB is not equal to BA. What will I do? You see, as I told you, this way. So this is 1 and this is 0. 1 into 0, 0. 2 into 1 equals to what? 2. 3 into 0 equals to what? 0. Okay. So this is done. Now there is a row, second row. So at a time you get the functioning of on second row. 4, this is 4 into 0, that is 0. 5 into 1, that is 5. 6 into 0, and it is 0. Okay. So we have got it, the first column. Now go to the second column. Second column, you understand, I have already taken all these all have been taken. Now go to the second column. So suppose it is not given. It is not given. Now do as usual. What is to be done? 1 into 2. This 1 into 2 equals to what? 2. Now get this 2 into this 2 plus 4. Get 3 into this minus 1 equals to what? Minus 3.
Sir, answer bolte pari sir.
Okay, you can. 4 into 2, 8. 5 into 2, 10. 6 into minus 1, minus 6. Now you similarize your answer with my one. That is, this is 2, this is 5. This is 2 plus 4, 6 minus 3, that is 3. 8 plus 10, 18 minus 6, that is 12. Is it to you, Farhan Ishaq?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you find BA. It is your turn. I will not do.
Sir, 8, 10, 12, 9, 12, 15 are sir minus 4, minus 5, minus 6.
BA, right?
G, sir.
Okay, now all of you must do. If you cannot do, then I'll come to know that you have not got it yet. Okay, find BA. You find BA. All of you, please. BA equals to what? BA 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 2 minus 1, 2, 2 minus 1. This is B. And what is A? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is BA. Now you do. It is your turn to do it. It is 3 by 2. It is 2 by 3. 3 by 2 and 2 by 3. 2 will be omitted. New matrix will be of order 3 by 3, right? Now you do it by yourself, as I told you, like this. So this means what? 0 into 1, that is 0. 2 into 4, that is plus 8. Go to the second row. 1 into 1, that is 1. 2 into 4, that is again plus 8. 0, this is 0 into 1, that is 0. Minus 1 into 4, that is minus 4. Okay, this is taken. Now, suppose it is not given in your question. So what will you do with this part? What will you do with this part? 0 into 2, that is 0. 2 into 5, that is 10. Done. Now this part, 1 into 2, that is 2. 2 into 5, that is plus 10. Again, 0 into 2, that is 0. Minus 1 into 5, that is minus 5. Now you see this is also omitted. Now the third column is left yet to do. 0 into 3, 0 into 3 equals to 0. 2 into 6 equals to plus 12. Now 1 into 3, that is 3. 2 into 6, that is plus 12. Okay. 0 into 3, that is 0. Minus 1 into 6, that is minus 6. Now you please calculate it to get the result. What is the result? Can you tell me please? 8, 9, minus 4, right? 10, 12, minus 5, then 12, 15, minus 6. Is it to you? Talk to me. Is it? Hello,
Yes, sir.
everybody.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Now I am going to do another math. Another math, okay? Question number 7. AB is equal to 8, 4 minus 1. 8, 4 minus 1. 0, 1, 3. 0, 1, 3. 5, 4, 8. 5, 4, 8. And B is equal to minus 4, 6, 2. Minus 4, 6, 2. Then 1, 3, 7. 1, 3, 7. Then it is 5, 4, 1. Okay, it is homework. You will do it, and in Skype, Sana Squared, you will just copy it, send it. It is homework, okay? It is 3 by 3. It is also 3 by 3, a square matrix. So we will get 3 by 3 order, okay? It is homework. In Skype, you will do, everyone will do, okay? Everyone at a time. Now I am going to do another math. Have you copied it?
Sir,
Sir,
একটু wait করেন sir.
Question number 3-1. Question number 3-1. A is given as by 2, 0, minus 1, 2, 0, minus 1, 5, 1, 0, 5, 1, 0, 0, 1, 3, 0, 1, 3. This is A, okay? And B is given in the question is 3 minus 1, 1, 3 minus 1, 1, minus 15, 6 minus 5, minus 15, 6 minus 5, 5 minus 2, 2, 5 minus 2, 2. You have to find AB. AB equals to what? You have also have to find BA equals to what? And it is also homework. You will do it and just send it in Skype. By the way, I request you all to open a group in Messenger. Then it will be better than your Skype. Okay, now I am going to do another important math that is given in too many boards in too many years. Okay, have you copied it?
Yes, sir.
Is there anyone who is left to copy yet? Okay. Another question, that is question number 32, the most important. I will do this math. Okay. Write down the most important math, please. Pay attention. AB. AB is equal to 3 minus 4, 2. 3 minus 4, 2. Minus 2, 1. Minus 2, 1. 0. Minus 1, minus 1, 1. Minus 1, minus 1, 1. This is A. And this is B. I am going to write down 1, 2, minus 2, 1, 2, minus 2, 2, 5, 2, 5, minus 4, then 3, 7, minus 5, 3, 7, minus 5. You have to find AB and BA. Okay, find it, do it. You see, as I told you earlier, these 3 and 1 equals to what? 3. This minus 4 into 2 equals to what? Minus 8. This 2 into 3 equals to what? Plus 6. Okay. Now you multiply this minus 2 into 1, that is minus 2. 1 into 2, that is plus 2. 0 into 3, that is plus 0. You again multiply minus 1 into 1, minus 1. Minus 1 into 2, minus 2. 1 into 3, that is plus 3. So first column is done. First column is done. Now you think for a while that it is not given in your question. Then what will you do? You will have the operation on this second column. For the second column, okay, what will you do? What you did in the first column is to be maintained. That is 3 into these 2 equals to what? 6. Minus 4 into this 5 equals to what? Minus 20. Okay. 2 into 7 equals to what? 14. It is the first row has been done. Now you have to go to the second row. Second row. What is the second row? Minus 2. So this is minus 2 into 2 equals to what? Minus 4. This is 1 into 5. This 5. 1 into 5 plus 5. 0 into 7. That is plus 0. Now go to the third row. Minus 1 into 2. That is minus 2. Minus 1 into 5, that is minus 5. 1 into 7, that is plus 7. Okay, this is also done. Now you see, we have only this part. Now you do it by yourself. Do it. 3 into minus 2. 3 into minus 2 equals to what? Minus 6. Minus 4 into minus 4 equals to what? Plus 16. 2 into minus 5, that is minus 10. Go to the second row, minus 2 into minus 2, that is plus 4. 1 into minus 4, that is minus 4. 0 into minus 5, that is plus 0. Minus 1 into minus 2, that is 2. Minus 1 into minus 4, that is plus 4. 1 into minus 5, that is minus 5. Now calculate and we will be left with, can you tell me please? This is 1, this is 0, this is 0, and this is 0, this is 1, this is 0. There it is what? 0, that is 0, and it is 1. Do you know it is an identity of 3 by 3? Identity means what? Along this, 1, 1, 1, and other entries will be 0. This is called principal diagonal or main diagonal or leading diagonal. This is known as principal. I'll make you understand the definition in next class or today if you want. Okay, this is called the main diagonal, okay, or principal diagonal or leading diagonal. Okay, and the other entries will be 0. This is called identity 3. 3 into 3. I mean a square matrix 3 into 3 order. Now you find BA. All of you are required to determine BA. Please, I want to see who can do it first. BA.
স্যার আজকে ছেড়ে দেন, আমাদের আরেকটা ক্লাস আছে।
When the class will be started? Your next class?
স্যার 5:30।
5:30. Is it 5:30? Perhaps not. Definitely
sir,
not. Okay, just
স্যার
wait. You
নামাজ
do B.
পড়তে হবে।
Okay, you please do this part only, BA. Okay, then BA. BA equals to what? You do it quick. Be quick. 1, 2 minus 2. 1, 2 minus 2. BA. 1, 2 minus 2. 2, 5. Because this is the most important math. I told you. Minus 4. And it will be given in the exam. 3, 7 minus 5. 3, 7 minus 5. And what is A? A is 3 minus 4, 2. 3 minus 4, 2. And it is minus 2, 1, 0. Minus 2, 1, 0. And it is here minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. And it is 1. Okay, now please determine. Quick, quick, quick. Be quick. Don't
Sir,
take time.
course
Same result?
Sir, same result.
Yes, that's good. And it is the answer. You see, please. You do 1 into 3 equals to what? Let me know. 3. 2 minus 2 equals to what? Minus 4. Minus 2 into minus 1. That is plus 2. Okay, that is done. This part I am going to do very quickly. 6 minus 10 plus 4. This is 9 minus 14 plus 5. Okay, and next it is minus 4 plus 2 plus 2. This is minus 8 plus 5 plus 4. This is minus 12 plus 7 plus 6. Okay, and the last one is it is 1 into 2, 2 plus 0 minus 2. Then it is 2 to the 4 plus 0 minus 4. Then it is 3 to the 6 plus 0 minus 5. You see what comes over. You see what is that? 1. It is what? 0. It is what? 0. It is what? 0. It is 1. It is what? It is wrong here. Please, I am wrong here. Make this correction here.
Plus 5, sir.
It is 5.
Minus
that
12
is,
plus 7 plus 5.
wait. Second part. This is this part, right? This part. Okay. Is it?
sir, ওটাই মনে 5 হবে। So ওটাই 5 হবে, sir.
This part minus plus 5. Yes, it is plus 5. Then it is 0 here. Now here it is 0. Here it is 0. And here it is 1. We are getting it is also I3. So we can come to conclude that AB equals to BA equals to I3. It is proved. Thank you very much that you are with me.